Hi guys, hi wonderfuls! This is me again, Aries in Wonderland. So for this video, I will teach you how to use powder as a step on your makeup. This is a part of another series I made on this channel. So please check out my playlist, namely the step-by-step makeup tutorial, where I discuss on my videos on how to do foundation, how to do concealer. So please check it out, and yes, let's go to our video for today. Right now, I already do my foundation and I already do my concealer. And yes, for our step number 3, we will now do our powder. There are two types of powder. We have these compacts and we have these loose powders. So sa dalawang yon, I tend to use more the loose powder than the pressed powder. Usually, I use pressed powders only for touch-ups, especially kapag nasa labas na ako ng house. Pero to set my makeup, I use loose powders para maganda yung application and para plakado yung makeup. So yes, loose powders tend to have smaller particles than the pressed powder. So meaning, since mas fine yung formula ng loose powder, so the tendency is when you apply it on your face, mas nafe-fill up niya mabuti yung skin mo, especially yung pores. The result is mas smoother yung makeup application. Plus, what I notice is that mas nagiging long wearing nga yung makeup. Loose powder is very good in setting up your makeup, especially sa oily skin. That's what I notice, especially on my skin, which is oily. Kasi kapag loose powder yung gamit ko, yung longevity ng makeup ko mas nagtatagal talaga. As in whole day kapag loose powder. Unlike kapag pressed powder na ang bilis nagbubulas ng makeup ko. So yes, I tend to use loose powder only for touch-ups, especially kapag nag-crease na yung around my nose area. Especially kapag haggard na sa hapon, pressed powder yung pang-retouch ko. Kasi ang messy naman kapag loose powder yung ginamit ko sa labas, diba? So yes, I do my makeup at home and I set it with loose powder. Pero outside for retouching, I use pressed powder. So I will show to you now how I put my powder on my face. So I'll just get a brush. Since I already do my foundation and concealer, I will now set it with powder. Actually, I already set this part, especially under my eyes. Kasi ganun ako. After doing my concealer, set ko agad ng powder. So, in setting my face with powder, I just actually dab my brush on my face and I don't swipe. Because when you do swiping, in applying your powder, yung tendency niya is mas scrape niya yung coverage na ginawa mo with your foundation and concealer. And pag na-scrape mo yung coverage na ginawa mo, hindi na siya smooth looking. I mean, pinerfect mo yung coverage mo ng foundation and concealer, diba? Tapos may scrape mo lang ng swiping motion nung nag-powder ka. Hindi siya magiging maganda. So, as for my technique, I just do this tapping motion to set my makeup with powder. So as you can see, by doing this technique, mas nag-a-add din siya ng coverage dun sa makeup mo. Which is actually good. Kasi yun naman ang goal, di ba? To have an extra coverage for a smooth looking makeup. Actually, I heard a celebrity makeup artist in the US. Nakalimutan ko lang yung name. Hindi ko alam kung si Mario ba or si Patrick ta or yung isa. Shinare siya ng isang influencer and sabi niya dun daw sa ginawang makeup class nung mga celebrity makeup artist na yon. Ang technique din niya for makeup is tapping motion and hindi siya naniniwala sa swiping motion. So, yun yung parang pinaka-highlight na technique niya na I don't believe in swiping motion. And actually, that's also my technique. Kasi, yun nga, ako yung taong may skin na madaming pimple marks and blemishes. So, I tend to cover my face with foundation and concealing. And I hate it if ma-scrape ko accidentally yung coverage na ginawa ko by using a swiping motion. Kasi di ba kaya ka nga nag-concealing technique to cover up your pimple marks and then may scrape lang ng brush mo kasi nga swiping motion yung gamit mo. So yes, my technique is by using tapping motion on my skin, especially in applying makeups after my foundation and concealer. So that is how I do my powder on my face. So that is how I set my foundation and my concealer with a loose powder. So another technique that I will do is that I will get a lighter loose powder or those that are translucent. For added coverage, I'll just put it on my nose. And also I will put some under my eyes and here. And I will also put that lighter powder or translucent powder here on my chin, on my forehead, and here. So after that, I'll just get a bigger brush and then blend it on my face. So by doing that technique, you're actually highlighting already your face. By doing that technique, you're actually brightening up your face, and yes, we like that. I just have to say this, in doing your makeup, meron tayong kanya-kanyang way of covering up our face. I mean, meron tayong kanya-kanyang preference on doing the right coverage for our face. As for myself, this is how I do or this is how I cover my face with makeup. So, dun sa mga taong ang gusto lang is like a light coverage on their face and very subtle lang, well, good for you. I also actually like that coverage, but my skin type is actually not allowing me to have that coverage. I mean, it's like this. If I do a very light coverage of makeup on my face, the tendency is that hindi ko mako-cover yung mga dapat kong i-cover, which is madami akong dapat i-cover sa mukha ko, diba? Ayun, parang nawawala yung essence na paglagay ko ng makeup kung hindi ko rin naman na-cover yung dapat ko i-cover. Bakit pa ako nag-makeup, diba? So it's like that for me. Pero dun sa iba na, like yung mga normal skin or yung mga wala namang dapat i-cover, basically, dapat lang naman talaga light ang coverage ng makeup sa face nyo kasi hindi nyo naman kailangan. So, remember guys that you have to do your makeup based on your skin type and your preference. So, hindi ibig sabihin sinabi ng iba na dapat ganito yung sa'yo, dapat ganyan, ganyan. Eh kung hindi nga nag-work sa'yo, diba? So, yes, that's just my 2 cents regarding that matter. So, yes, kung ano yung nag-work sa'yo, yun yung gawin mo. Because makeup is fine. Actually, you can play with it and I think makeup is art. And yes, just have fun and do what is best for you. So yeah, that's our video for today. I hope you learned something from this video. Since this is a part of the series, here in my channel, you can actually check some other videos that is on my playlist, namely step-by-step makeup tutorials. So yes, I have videos there teaching you how to do foundation, concealer, lipstick, etc. So yes, if you like this video, please click the like button down below and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you on my next video. Bye, wonderfuls!